Hello everyone, my name is Paul and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio download and installation in Windows 10 or 11. In both the operating systems, the process is almost same. So try to follow the steps which I am showing here. Watch the video till the end if you want to download and properly set up the SSMS in your Windows. It is very necessary to develop some queries or pipelines or whatever it is, whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's start. First of all, in a browser, SQL Server download you need to write in the search engine, and after that, here the page, okay, the Microsoft.com SQL Server downloads, this option will come. Now we are not going to talk about these things because this is the on-premise environment, this is in the edge, and this is on the Azure. We are not going to download that. We are going to use this developer option. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are not going for the express download also, because the reason is written here. You can read it out, and we are going to download this one. So as I already downloaded it, that's why I am not going to download it again. Okay, but you have to download it. So after that, just go down, and here you can see download SQL Server Management Studio. Click there, and this is the option, free download for SQL Server Management Studio 19.1. You need to download that. As I have downloaded, I am not going to download them again. Okay, now let's go to the downloads folder. Here you can see the SSMS setup and SQL Server. Okay, so after downloading it, you will have these two files. Okay, so first of all, let's go with the SQL Server. So here you can see it has been started, and yeah, we are going to download with the basic installation. Okay, we are going to proceed. Except, okay, this is the file location, install. So it is going to take some time. Let's fast forward the process. So you can see that the SQL Server has been installed successfully. Now we are going to install the SSMS. For that, we need to double click the setup file, and once it is ready, we are going to install the SSMS. Okay, so now here we are going to install the SSMS. So let's wait. It will take some time. Okay, so setup is completed and all the specified components have been installed. Okay, so now let's check SSMS. SSMS is nothing but like MySQL workbench, and SQL Server is nothing but the MySQL SQL query language. Yeah. So let's try to open it. For the first time, it will take some time for sure. Let's wait. So here you can see Windows authentication. As I am going to use this Windows authentication, so we are going to use that one. Or for other purposes, SQL Server authentication also is there, and other authentication is also there. So I am going to use this one because I am putting these things like locally. Okay, so this is the one. Now like there would be like some default databases, system databases, also master database. These are the databases which are here. Okay, and if you want to run any query, so you can run here, okay, by using these things. Tables are there. Okay, system table external. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so let's click from, for example, spt underscore, okay, this one. Okay, now let's run it. So for now there is no data in this database, that's why no data is there, but we can check it, like for the verification purpose everything is working properly or not, we can. Otherwise like we can check other database. See, here also there is no data. So what we are going to do in the next video, I am going to put a whole database. Okay, I'm going to create and I'm going to show some demo codes to run the SSMS properly. Okay, so this is the installation and checking up either everything is working or not. The setup is finally completed. You can use it in your own thing. Okay, so this much for today, guys. And for your information, like if you are new in this channel, I would request you to hit the subscribe button if you really like the video, if you really like our content, because most of the viewers do not subscribe the channel. So please do hit the subscribe button, and also let me know in the comment section if any kind of doubt is there, and share this video with your friends. And this much for today. See you in the next video.